You guys need to learn how to de-escalate. You guys are pretty good at planting seeds. You know all about that.
I'm not a gardener.
On January 5th, 2024, police responded to a gas station for a simple trespass complaint.
Hey, good morning. Where's he at?
Right over there.
Okay. What, y'all just want to trespass? What do you...
Yeah, I think he stole a couple merchandise. At this point, we just want to trespass because, like, we're...
Yeah. 224 flagger. I'm 1012 inside the store. Excuse me. Hey, you alright? Alright, hey, listen, I'm Deputy Quintero, Flower County Sheriff's Office, alright? They just don't want you in here, okay? You understand me? Alright. They do just want you trespassed. They did say that you did take some stuff, but they don't want you, obviously, to go to jail for it or anything like that, but they do want you trespassed, okay? So all we're gonna do is I'm gonna get your info, give you a piece of paper, huh? You got your ID on you? How's it going? You got your ID on you? Listen, I'm not here to cause you any issues, okay? They just say you stole some merchandise. They do want you trespassed. All we're gonna do is get your info, give you the piece of paper, you're out of here. If you don't, it'd be rougher for you, okay? You got your ID on you? You got your ID on you, man? Hold on. Hey, listen, you can record all you want, okay? You're not free to leave. Alright. Got your ID on you or no? Do you understand me? Do you speak English? What's the issue?
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For?
They said you stole merchandise. They want you trespassed. I'm doing an investigation right now.
An investigation for what? If they said they don't want to press charges?
Because you still stole merchandise and they want you trespassed.
If they said they don't want to press charges, what kind of investigation are you doing?
It's still an investigation. What are you not understanding? I've already told you.
If no trespassers are being charged, why am I being investigated?
I am going to issue you the trespass. I don't understand what's so difficult about that. Do you understand what I'm saying or no? I'm sitting here trying to work with you. I've been straight up. I've been cool. I've been chill with you. You're the one who's ignoring me and not working with me.
You speak pretty clearly.
Exactly. And you're just not listening to me. Would you rather go to jail? Would you rather go to jail or no?
I don't know. As long as you don't pull a gun on me, I really don't care. A lot of them have decided to pull guns on me for no reason, so.
And I haven't done anything like that. All I've done is come up to you, hey, introduce myself, told you what's going on.
At this point, because one of you guys have already decided to pull guns on me, so I really don't give a
Has my hand even been near my gun at all? No, it hasn't.
Your guy's was a couple of days ago. Guess where his was?
That's not me.
Chilling like this.
All right, listen.
He literally had his.
All right,
like
listen.
this.
Are you going to give me your identification or no?
Identification for what?
Oh my God! I've already told you 4 different times. You've stole merchandise. They've told us that.
They said they do not want to press charges.
That doesn't matter. They still want you trespassed. You still committed a crime. We're still doing the investigation.
What crime if they do not want to press charges?
Okay. All right.
Sir,
we're gonna go ahead and detain him. Put your phone down. Don't resist or anything. Take your backpack off. Yeah, I know, and you're not listening to me.
I am listening.
No, you're not. I've given you multiple commands.
I just wanted to know why I'm being ID.
I told you 4 different times, okay?
You're
not listening.
Right now, dude.
This is the problem with people, okay?
My phone's still on live. I would like it to be recording me.
Yes, well, it's recording. Everything's recording.
Turn the screen off.
Yes, I closed it out,
Can you turn the screen? I would like my phone to be recording.
That's fine. Everything is recording right now. I'm putting your phone back with your stuff.
I don't get how you get to determine what my video is.
Are you going to identify yourself to us or not? You have an ID on you.
I do not have an ID on me. I'd be willing to ID myself.
Now you will, because we put you in handcuffs.
Why, if they're not pressing charges?
Okay.
They want you trespass. In order to trespass you, you have to identify.
Clearly.
Okay.
Okay, on top of that, you committed a crime. even though they don't want to press charges, that still gives us enough to identify you, okay?
Okay.
But I don't understand why you're making it so difficult.
I don't understand why you guys pull guns on me. It's ridiculous.
Who pulled the gun on you? Nobody.
Not you guys specifically, but literally recently.
Okay, we're not
pulled
them,
on me.
and we're not playing that game with the hypothetical, okay?
That's another
It's not hypothetical.
You
It
just made your
happens.
situation a lot worse for absolutely no reason because you didn't want to cooperate.
Or
Now that
did
you're
you
in
guys-
handcuffs, you're going to be cooperative and give us your identification.
I
That's
was
the
willing
game
to
you want
give
to play.
it to you guys.
No,
I was
that's
just
fine.
asking
No,
questions. Could I have not allowed to ask questions as an American citizen?
That's not true.
Okay.
I'm not playing this game.
Am I the liar or you guys the liar? Because the other guy was lying pretty hard through
Hey
his
man,
teeth.
my camera's on.
Okay, cool. Good for you. You guys need to learn how to de-escalate.
You need to
Very
learn.
clearly, you guys
So
need to learn how to
what's-
de-escalate, no matter how I'm talking
Sir.
to
When
you.
you're asked to leave, why aren't you leaving?
Yeah, I was literally grabbing my but I was still asking questions.
No,
I'm not
I
allowed to
can't
ask
hear you're arguing
questions.
with him with your phone. Dude.
Am I not allowed to record?
No, you are. I'm not saying you're not allowed. That's true.
Because, you know, another one of you guys is people who wears a badge. Told me I don't have First Amendment rights in America. And they said they don't work for the U.S. government. So I've lost a lot of respect for a lot of you.
Okay. But when you're asked to leave, I don't understand why you're leaving.
I mean, you saw my backpack went on my back, right?
So you
clearly
arguing
leaving
with
pretty
another
clearly.
deputy when I came here.
So was that me or him? Which one needs to de-escalate?
I wasn't here for that.
You guys are trained to de-escalate, right? Are American citizens trained to de-escalate? Do they need to be?
I don't understand why you keep
Why did I have to
putting
get
this
freedom
guy
tattooed on my forehead?
That's a good question, man.
And inhale, exhale tatted on my wrist. You know how ridiculous that is?
Time out.
Why are there 4 officers here for 1 person? You know how ridiculous that is?
Being uncooperative, sir.
Am I? Or are you guys just trying to plant that seed? You guys are really good at planting seeds, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Damn straight.
Sir.
Sir.
And I still feel like you're escalating this. Can you take your arm off of me, please? I'm
Sir.
calm. I wonder if
your
it's because
first
I was
name?
talking to your buddies who were parked up the road.
Alright, hold on. Just time out for a second. I've never met you. I don't know who you are. None of us have met you. I don't think. Have you met him? None of us have met you. Because you're comparing us to people you've met before, and we've never met. This is our first encounter. All we were trying to do. Listen, you're making this a bigger issue than it is. All this is.
Necessary.
It's not. I told you straight up. All we had to do was get your information. Okay, they're still confirming whether or not they want to press charges.
I'm not allowed to ask questions as an American citizen.
You are. But when I give you lawful commands,
Were they lawful?
yes, they were 100% lawful.
Okay.
And I told you that. I tried to work with you.
So I can review that later.
That's fine. Everything's recording on this right
Am I
here.
allowed to review that later? How do
Yes,
I review
you
that?
request it
Because
through
I
our
was
record.
the ones where people pull guns on me.
That's whenever that
I was
happened,
able to review those, and I
you
was
just
like,
request it.
everybody's getting a badge from me.
you request it through our records department. Okay.
How long does that take?
I don't know. It
It's a
depends.
request, right? So do they approve it?
I don't know. All right.
That's
You guys had no right to turn off my footage. That's turning off my First Amendment, literally.
Okay.
Now, stuff that is.
I would definitely press charges.
You guys
Okay. Well, yeah, like I said, y'all have to be the ones to make the decision. I can't tell you yes or no.
I would say it's just with his behavior from someone that does work overnight. It's just
I got you. I got you. Yeah. No, for sure.
It is I would say.
That's fine.
First Amendment, right?
We're doing the trespass, but if they or anyone changes their mind, let us know before we get out of here. But right now, we'll just give them the trespass and all that, unless.
I know she said no, but I'm glad to hear that because with his behavior and how he's getting aggressive, I
Okay.
don't know if he wants to come back in. Because if
Okay.
you're asking him to leave and he's coming back
Okay.
because I just don't understand. I work every day.
All I'll need is the amount of what was taken and all that, and we'll go from there. If you can get like a receipt or something.
I wonder how quick I get bailed out.
That's up to you. That depends.
Considering if it wasn't for you guys breaking my spine, I wouldn't have to steal to survive anyway.
I don't know what
it's
you're
almost
talking
like I
about.
have a settlement check to pick up pretty soon anyways.
I have no idea what you're talking about, sir.
And if my phone was still recording, my people on the other end of that live would know how much I owe. So the fact that you guys turned off my First Amendment rights in my phone is very up.
That's fine. Listen, it's a criminal investigation. It's ongoing. We have
Sure, it's a
we
criminal
have cameras
investigation. I'm
recording.
investigating about 4 of y'all right now.
We have cameras that are recording too, and you.
Regardless, turning off mine was a violation
No,
of
it wasn't.
my First Amendment.
No, it wasn't.
rights.
If I turned mine off during this
it wasn't?
investigation, then it
Come on,
is.
say that clear. It wasn't. You want to Google the laws right now?
Not right now while we're doing this whole investigation. No
Yeah, say it again.
one
It
else,
wasn't,
no one
wasn't.
else needs to be involved in this
Definitely
except
gonna
for
need
us.
your name and badge number.
Okay. That's fine.
Still wondering why I don't have everybody else's.
It'll all be on the report when they write it up. Everything will be on there.
Regardless, why don't I have it already?
Quinteri 792. That's my badge number.
Like I'm gonna remember that. Should have been on my live.
It's on recording right here that
Okay,
you wanted to
should have
request.
been on my live.
That's
Why'd
fine.
you turn off my First Amendment rights?
I've already explained everything.
Especially when your guys at the county or jail or whatever have told me to my face that I don't have First Amendment rights in a free country.
Not right now while you're
That
detained.
is some Nazi scumbag right there.
Okay. If you keep acting up the way you are, you'll just catch more charges.
Exercising my First Amendment rights.
Actually, you can't disturb the peace in here, okay?
Anybody feel like I'm disturbing the peace, or am I just making a lot of black and white?
Actually, that's one of the reasons why they called us too, was because of how you were acting.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
I'd love to see their statement on that.
That's what we're getting right now, but I got the receipt for everything you stole.
Okay.
So.
Is it stolen if I haven't left the property?
You didn't pay for it.
Have I left the property?
Last night you did, yes.
Back right there.
Huh?
Did I? Have I? It's my job to help you with the investigation, not really.
I don't need your help. I've got everything I need.
I don't need yours either. Got a lot of people watching y'all ass.
Okay.
Would have a lot more if you didn't turn off my live and violate my First Amendment rights.
It isn't a violation.
It is a violation of my First Amendment rights.
No, I put your phone back in your bag with your property.
Freedom of speech.
Right. While you're detained and we're doing a criminal investigation right now.
Should have still been recording the entire interaction.
Don't worry, everything is recording on their cameras and our body cameras. Nothing has stopped, nothing has paused, nothing is done.
And the racism here is down to the architecture.
No one has brought up race or anything like that.
The racism is down to the architecture. Have you seen a crosswalk sign?
The what?
A crosswalk sign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're talking about the figure that's painted black on the crosswalk signs?
Well, I mean, on a crosswalk sign, it has a white man crossing the road, and then it has a red hand to say stop. And then on another sign, there's a red canceling sign through a black man.
Okay. That's the first time.
That's kind of architecturally racist, don't you think?
I think you're looking way too much into that.
Am I?
I think you are.
You guys are pretty good at planting seeds. You should know all about that.
I'm not a gardener.
You know exactly what I mean by seed. Don't be a smart ass. Oh, you guys are actually going to read me my Miranda rights this time?
Well, before we start questioning you, yes.
I'm Deputy User Black Sheriff.
Alright, hypothetically, before you guys even continue with that, if I wasn't read my Miranda rights in the previous cases, those cases are invalidated, correct?
I can't attest to those cases.
I was there for you.
Okay, hypothetically, if you guys pulled somebody over or did something or caught somebody in the middle of a crime and you didn't read those rights, like hypothetically in this situation right now, if you guys didn't read me those rights, would this case get tossed out?
No, not until we start questioning you direct questions.
Okay, that wasn't an answer to that question.
I can't attest to previous.
Okay.
You have the
Are you
right
gonna
to
treat me
remain
like an
silent.
American
Anything you
citizen,
say,
or are you gonna treat me like a Nazi scumbag?
You have the right to talk to the attorney. Have an attorney present now every time to question. If you're not for attorney, won't be appointed representative. Anytime you stop talking, you have an attorney present on question, you will be stopped for question. You understand these rights? Yes or no? I need a verbal yes or no.
That's fine. We read him his rights.
Okay.
At this point,
What do you need a verbal yes or no for?
just to know that you acknowledge what he just read to you.
What do you read to me?
Okay, I'm not playing this game of going back and forth like you don't know what's going on.
Questions.
Okay.
All right.
I have the right to ask questions as an American citizen, don't I? Dirty and filthy.
Sir, you've already been read your rights? Do you understand your rights?
We're past that. He's not answering.
I gave
anything.
the opportunity.
How are you going to answer for me?
Because you won't
All right,
answer.
sir, I
literally
need you to
just
come over here
answering
then.
You need to learn how to
Step over
de-escalate.
here.
That's it? What do you know what you're being placed under arrest for?
Nope. And if you're only charging me with resisting, how am I being charged with resisting if I haven't committed another crime?
You're also being charged with retail theft.
Am I?
Yes.
Because in the beginning you guys said they weren't charging me for that, so I wonder what changed.
They decided to
They
prosecute.
realized there was still a case. Whatever.
So, yes, sir. We're
I'd
charging you
easily
with.
lie about it anyways.
Okay. Well, you're under arrest for retail theft and resisting.
I wonder if they would tell me if the pressing charges did that. Considering they didn't even offer me an option to pay.
Well, you left last night, so you didn't pay.
Where's the proof?
We're not.
Did you see proof for that? 'Cause
That's So that's so
Right now, I feel like I'm being treated as guilty before innocent as opposed to innocent before guilty, so it's proof. You know I'm goddamn right.
No, he waived his right.
You know I'm right. Yeah, you're just salty.
He was charged with shoplifting and resisting an officer without violence. Do you think his rights were actually being violated, or was he using that argument to avoid taking responsibility? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.